Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today's video I'm going to be doing an unboxing from a company that I really have grown to enjoy. Just did an unboxing for Ollie, which has partnered with Brio for their Smart Clean Premium Sonic Toothbrush. Go ahead and check that video out if you are interested in a nice premium toothbrush that has really good quality and will last you a long time, and the battery life will outlive most things around. So anyways, today, as I said, this is another product from Brio. I do have the version 1, but today I am going to be unboxing the Brio Beardscape version 2. I have the version 1. This is the version 2. So I am going to be unboxing it today, and I will be doing a full review on this soon, but this is just the unboxing. So I got this in the mail today. As I open this up right here, show you what's in the box and what to expect when you purchase from Brio. By the way, I will say that they have the greatest customer service on the planet. Super nice. Give a shout out to Jared over there at Brio. He's helped me out tremendously. He's a great guy, and their customer service is bar none amazing. So in the package, you're going to find the information sheet of what you purchased. You're going to find the Beardscape like this in this presentation. Really nice. Reminds me a lot of the version 1, but as you see, this is the version 2. I did also get the Zero Blade, which is supposed to be better when it comes to a closer shave. So if you are interested in having a precision trim that's very close and will not snag your skin, this is something that you want to get your hands on. I will drop a link in the review I will be doing that will give you one of these for free. So if you purchase one of these, you will get one of these free with my link. So let's see here. I'll open this up and show you what is in the box, what to expect when you purchase this and receive it in the mail. So really nice box here. This is the back of it. This is not going to be your average trimmer that you're going to find at Walmart or Target or any big box store. This is going to be a quality, high premium, sought out trimmer that you'll find online. You will not find anybody. I have not found one bad review on these. The battery can last a whole year on one charge. As I said, I will be doing a full review on this, going into detail, but right now I'm just doing an unboxing to show you what is in the box and what to expect. So as this opens, it's a pretty deep box. As I said before in another review from Brio, they put a lot of thought into their packaging. They care, which says a lot. Right here, you have the information about your Brio Beardscape version 2. Register to receive 10% off your next order. Right here, you're going to find your cutting links, which is really nice to know. So it compares Wall to Oster and Andy's trimmers. So you can see what the Brio Beardscape is compared to these other manufacturers. Now, for the main presentation, the Brio Beardscape, ladies and gentlemen. This is going to be your charger port, your dock that you're going to put your Brio Beardscape on, just like that. Now, not a whole lot different from the version 1, but you will see not a whole lot different from the version 1, but cosmetic. It does look different, and it will have a display that is different, but everything else is pretty much close to the first one. Now, this is what you're going to find in the box. Very nice. Super nice. So you're going to find your charging cable right here, your USB, and your charger right here. Super nice. Pretty self-explanatory. This box right here, you're going to find your guards. Starting with this one, you're going to have the 1 to 2 millimeters. Then it's going to go up to 3 to 6, 9 to 12, and then your 15 to 18 millimeters. So anyways, guys, that's going to do it for me today. That is what you're going to find in the Brio Beardscape box as it comes in the mail. If you haven't yet, go ahead and like this video, hit the subscribe button, and hit the notification bell so that way you're up to date with all the reviews and unboxings that I do to help you determine if this is something that you want to purchase. Now, I will drop a link below when I do have the review for this. Thanks so much for watching the video, and I'll catch you on the next review.